My least favorite part about being sick is being sick.
Some ways to know when you're sick is if you really start like coughing really loudly.
I'm sniffling a lot, I'm coughing a lot, coughing nonstop.
My favorite part of being sick is that you don't have to go to school and you get to watch TV all day and have like fun snacks.
The first thing I did when I got home from school was went to the sofa and rest. And then I ate and I went back to resting. Ate, went back to resting. Read, went back to resting.
When I went to the school, they mostly taught you how to cough. There was like a class for coughing.
That's the wrong way to cough.
If you feel a cough coming, you have to block your arm to your mouth.
If you cough with your hand, you can get other people sick.
What helps you get better is getting lots of rest.
Hot tea makes me feel better.
When I have a cough, my mom takes me to the dentist.
What does the dentist do?
Floss my teeth.
When I'm sick, my parents put a blanket around me.
What does your mommy do?
Kiss me.
My mom snuggles me in my bed.
If my mom or dad were sick, I would tell them not to go to work, make them soup, and let them watch TV.
When my mom is sick, to make her feel better, I don't bother her.
If my mom got a cold or a cough, I would leave her to rest so my father could take care of her.